Everybody, welcome back to the SmittyGeek channel. I'm your host Tim, aka SmittyGeek, and we're back with another video. Today, this video is going to be a little bit different because we're actually doing a product review of something I don't normally do. Now, like many of you guys, I wear prescription eyewear glasses. I have since I was 15 years old, and it is a necessary evil, unfortunately, for a lot of us who actually have to have glasses. You know, when you go to your eye doctor and you pay that price for eyeglasses, you know, it's kind of an expensive investment. So I was kind of intrigued by this company that reached out to me. FIRMOO is a company that specializes in affordable prescription eyewear and sunglasses. And they asked if I'd be interested in reviewing one of their products. And I said, yeah, sure, that would be great. So we're going to go ahead and review one of their products. I do want to mention that if you guys do wear glasses and you're interested in saving a little bit of money, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you how you can save a lot of money on a pair of glasses. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in. Please leave a like or a share and hit that subscribe button if you like content like this. And we're going to go ahead and jump in. So FIRMOO is a company that specializes in prescription glasses. And I went on their website after they reached out to me. I went and put my prescription in. You know, we all get that piece of paper with our prescription from the eyewear doctor. Went ahead and put it on their website, plugged it in, and went and found a pair of glasses that I like. And they sent those to me. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to try them out, see what they look like, what they feel like, and check out the quality of this. Now, cool thing about their website is they have a virtual try-on where you can go on to their website and see how it's going to look on your face, and that way it gives you an idea. You just upload a picture, it gives you an idea what it's going to look like for you. And so that's what I did. So they shipped these in about a week. They came in a, you know, well-packed, you know, envelope in a nice plastic hard case, so they were good and protected. And this came in the pouch. Of course, first of all, you've got the glasses that we'll take out in just a second. But they also actually gave us some discount coupons as well. So you can share these with your friends or someone who might be interested in taking a look at that. So here we have this nice pouch, and here are the glasses. Now, these particular glasses, just so you know, were not $200, not $100, not even $50. These were $24.95 with the prescription included. So I don't know about you, but for me, that's where it needs to be. This gives me the ability to have more than one pair. You know, I'm rough on glasses. You know, you sit on them, you break them, you wear them at work, they get scratched up. So, you know, you have to be really careful. This way, this allows you to be more flexible because, you know, you can have multiple pair. You can use it to kind of, you know, change your look up, I guess is the best way to describe it. So let's take a look at these. First of all, I've not tried them on. You can see it's a good quality lens. These are metal frames. They've got a lot of tension in them. They're good and firm, well-built, good quality glasses. And we're going to try these on. And of course, these fit really well on my face. They feel great, and they don't look like that's something that's going to break very easily. Overall, I think these are good quality. I can't wait to get more. I'm definitely going to be getting more. And at the price point of $24.95, I know there's some more that are some less, and there's tons of different lenses that you can, or different frames that you can get. I mean, literally hundreds. So you're not limited on what you can get on their website. I was very impressed with these guys. I think I'll be trying these guys again in the future. Yeah, that's it. These are called FIRMOO.com. I wanted to share these with you guys. Hope you will go on there and check it out for yourself. Also, if you do decide that you want to check them out and you think about purchasing a pair of glasses, in the description below, there is a link where they're allowing you, if you click on that link in the description, you'll get a 50% discount on your glasses, which basically means that it's even a more discounted price. So this $24 pair of glasses, if you decide to go pair, run you about $12 with prescription included. So as far as I'm concerned, you can't beat that. So again, it's FIRMOO.com. Check out their website. I'll leave a link in the description where you can save 50% on that pair of glasses if you want to give them a try. That way you're not spending tons of money to give these guys a go. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Leave a like, a comment, a share, and go check out FIRMOO.com. Hopefully these guys will be something that you'll use in the future. Till then, thank you guys as always for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.